we're given two functions. They're both in table form, right? We're given the f of x function, the f function, and we're given the g function. So this function over here is f, this function over here is g, and now we are asked to compute f of g of 7, right? So what we want to do here is we want to find f of g of 7. Now we can do this as long as we realize what this means. This means f of g of 7. So just read it, write what you read. F of g, right? It's a circle, but read it as an O for of. F of g of 7. Right, now what is g of 7? Look for 7 and apply it to the g rule, right? So go to the g function. Here's g. What does g say to do with a 7? Well, I come over here, and it says to take that 7 and make it an 8. So that 7 is going to become an 8. So this is going to be f of 8. Right? You start with a 7, you process it with g. So look for g. Input is 7. Now the inputs are the x's. So it takes the 7, converts it to an 8. So I'll run an 8 down here. Now what do you do with the 8? You're going to process it with f. So go to the f rule. Here's the f rule. And look for the input of 8. Now the inputs are the x's. So look for the 8. There it is right there. It says to make that a 9. All right, so this is going to be a 9. So all in all, we can conclude that f of g of 7 is 9.